Children, this is 9th standard maths, chapter 10, linear equations in two variables. To understand what is the linear equation in two variables, let us consider the following two examples. 4x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0, and the second equation is root 2x minus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. In a linear equation, the degree of the equation will be equal to 1. And you can observe that in the two equations, there are two variables such as x and y. And also, these are expressed in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Therefore, any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers and a and b are not both 0, is called a linear equation in two variables. So in the first example, you can see we have 4x plus 5y minus 7 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where the value of a will be equal to 4 and the value of b will be equal to 5 and the value of c will be equal to minus 7. Consider the second example in which we have root 2x minus 7y minus 3 equal to 0. Again, it is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where the value of a will be equal to root 2, the b value will be equal to minus 7 and c value will be equal to minus 3. Therefore, the standard form of linear equations in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now, let us solve exercise problems. Exercise 10.1. In that first question, the first question is we need to frame the linear equation in two variables from the given statement problem. The first problem is, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variables to represent this statement. So the problem is given. The first statement says, the cost of a notebook. We don't know the cost of a notebook. We know that in order to frame an equation, we need the variables and numerical values. But in this problem, the numerical values and variables are not given. But using the statement, we have to put the variables and the numerical values. Now, the cost of a notebook is not given, and hence, let the cost of a notebook, we will consider it as the variable x. Then, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Now, the cost of a pen is not given. Since it is a linear equation in two variables, let us consider the cost of a pen equal to y. Now, the cost of a notebook. What is the cost of a notebook? We have considered the cost of a notebook as x is twice the cost of a pen. Twice means 2. Therefore, the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen. That means, let the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen be equal to x is equal to twice the cost of a pen means 2y. Therefore, let the cost of a notebook is twice the cost of a pen will be equal to x equal to 2y. Now is the next step. Linear equation in two variables. Now, we have to express it in the standard form, that is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we got the equation as x equal to 2y. While representing in linear equation in two variables, we shall write it as x. 2y is in the right hand side of the equation. While coming to the left hand side of the equation, it changes to minus 2y, and the c value is not given. We can make equal to 0. So this is a linear equation in two variables. We got x minus 2y equal to 0 as the answer to this problem. The second problem is that express the following linear equations. We have all these linear equations to express it in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. So let us consider the first problem. We have x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now we shall write the values of a, b and c, where in this equation a will be equal to 1 since the coefficient of x is equal to 1. B will be equal to minus 1 by 5. The coefficient of y will be minus 1 by 5 and the value of c will be equal to minus 10. Now consider the second problem. We have minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. We have to express this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So let us write this equation as minus 2x plus 3y. The 6 is in the right hand side of the equation, while coming to the left hand side it becomes minus 6 equal to 0. Therefore, the value of a will be equal to minus 2 and the value of b will be equal to 3 and the value of c will be equal to minus 6 is the answer. Next is the third problem. We have x is equal to 3y. Now to express it in the standard form of a linear equation in two variables, let us consider x. Let us take plus 3y to the left hand side. It becomes minus 3y. And the value of c will be equal to 0. That will be equal to 0, which is in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. And the value of a will be equal to 1. And the value of b will be equal to minus 3. And the value of c will be equal to 0. Consider the next equation, fourth problem. We have 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Now we have to express in the standard form. Now 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So 3x is ax plus we want by. So let us take the value of b equal to 0 into y. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, which is in the standard form. Now the value of a will be equal to 3 and the value of b will be equal to 0 and the value of c will be equal to 2. This is the answer. Now we have the next question. 5 equal to 2x. So now let us take this right hand side of the equation to the left side of the equation so that it becomes minus 2x. So ax. Now we want by plus we do not have the variable y in the equation, so let us write it as 0 into y. Therefore it becomes by. Then we already have the c value, that is plus 5 in the left hand side of the equation. So ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and the value of a will be equal to minus 2 and the value of b will be equal to 0 and the value of c will be equal to 5. This is the answer to this problem. The next topic is solution of linear equation. Solution of linear equations in two variables mean a solution means a pair of values. That is, we know that in a linear equation in two variables, we will be having the two variables, one for x and one for y, which satisfies the given equation. That means when you give any values to x and y and apply those values in the equation, the LHS value and the RHS value should be equal. Then that given values to the x and y becomes the solution of the linear equation. Therefore, in linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, it can have many solutions. You can give any number of values to the variables x and y. To understand this concept, let us solve the exercise problems. Exercise 10.2. In that the first problem we have, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. So now we have the first problem, that is 2x plus y equal to 7. At first we will write the values for x. That is, if x is equal to 0, substitute in the equation 2 into the value of x is considered as 0. So 2 into 0 plus y equal to 7. That will be equal to 2 zeros are 0 plus y equal to 7. Therefore, the y value will be equal to 7. Therefore, x value is equal to 0 and y value will be equal to 7 when you put x equal to 0. Now again, let us put the values for x. Now let us consider the value of x will be equal to 1. You can take any value. Now we have considered the x value equal to 1. Substitute in this equation. So 2 into 1 plus y equal to 7. Next step, it will be equal to 2 into 1, that is 2 plus y equal to 7. Now we want the value of y. Y is equal to 7 plus 2. While coming to the right side, it becomes minus 2. Therefore, y value will be equal to 7 minus 2. The value of y will be equal to 5. Therefore, now the solutions are x, right? First x value, which we have taken it as 1, and y value we have got the answer as 1, 5. Now we had applied the values for x, that is 0 and 1. Now since it is a linear equation in two variables, we have to apply the values for y also. So let us take now if y is equal to 0. Substitute the values. So we have 2x plus y value is 0 equal to 7. Now 2x equal to 7. Therefore, x will be equal to 7 by 2. Therefore, the solution is x. First write the x value, it is 7 by 2. Then y value, we have taken it as 0. Now, if y is equal to 1, when substituted to the equation, we have 2x plus 1 equal to 7. Then 2x is equal to 7 minus 1. Then we have 2x is equal to 7 minus 1. That becomes 6. Then x is equal to 6 by 2. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6. Therefore, the value of x will be equal to 3. Therefore, x is 3 and 1 is the y value is the solution. Now, what is asked in the question? Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Therefore, we can have many solutions to this equation. not only 4 solutions, if you apply more values for x and y, you will get many solutions. That many solutions is infinitely many solutions. But in the given problem, they had asked to find out only the 4 solutions to the given equation. Therefore, the answer is 4 of the infinitely many solutions of the given equation are 0, 7, 1, 5, 7 by 2, 0 and 3, 1 are the 4 solutions to the equation 2x plus y equal to 7. Now we have the second equation, that is x equal to 4y. So first let us substitute the values for x. Let us take if x is equal to 0. Now substitute. 0 is equal to 4y. Now we want the value of y. Therefore, y will be equal to 0 by 4. Any number 0 by 4 will be equal to 0. Therefore, the solution x comma y, that is 0 comma 0 is the first solution. Now take if x is equal to 1. You can take any values to the x, but I have considered x is equal to 1. Substitute 1 is equal to 4y. Therefore, y will be equal to 1 by 4. Therefore, the solution will be equal to x comma y. You have to write x comma y. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 1 comma and the value of y will be equal to 1 by 4. Now, substitute for y. If y is equal to 0, therefore we know that x is equal to 4 into 0. 4 zeros are 0. Therefore the value of x will be equal to 0. And now the solution will be equal to x comma y. X is 0 as well as y is also 0. Now let us take if y is equal to 1. When substituted, x is equal to 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4. Therefore, x value will be equal to 4 and the solution will be equal to x. It is 4 comma 1 is the answer. Therefore, 4 solutions of the given equation are 0, 0, 1, 1 by 4, again 0, 0 and 4, 1 is the answer. Take the next question. Check which of the following are solutions of the equation and which are not. So, in this problem, they have given 3 choices 0, 2, 4, 0 and root 2, 4 root 2. These are the values of x and y. Now, we have to substitute these values in this equation so that the LHS and the RHS value should become equal. When LHS and RHS values of the two sides become equal, then those values are the solutions to the given equation. When LHS value is not equal to RHS value, then it is not the solution of the given equation. Now let us substitute the first option x equal to 0 and y equal to 2 in this equation. So when you substitute, the x value is equal to 0 minus 2 into the y value is equal to 2 is equal to 4. 0 minus 2 2s are 4 equal to 4. Therefore, we have in the left side it is minus 4 and the right side we have 4. Therefore, minus 4 is not equal to 4. Therefore, that is not a solution. Therefore, 0, 2 is not a solution. Now consider the second option, that is 4, 0. Now substitute x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0 in this equation. So we have 4 minus 2 into the value of y will be equal to 0 equal to 4. Now 4 minus 2 zeros are 0 is equal to 4. 4 minus 0 will be equal to 4 and again it will be equal to 4. Therefore, we got LHS and RHS value the same value. Therefore, we can say that 4, 0 is a solution to this equation because on both sides of the LHS and RHS we got the same value. Therefore, 4, 0 is a solution. Now, we have the third option. Substitute x is equal to root 2 and y is equal to 4 root 2 in this equation. So, we have x is equal to root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 is equal to 4. Now, in the next step, root 2 minus 2 4s are 8 root 2 is equal to 4. Now we have root 2 minus 8 root 2 in the left hand side of the equation. So take root 2 as common. When you take root 2 as common, 1 minus 8 will be equal to 4. In the next step, root 2 into 1 minus 8, it will be minus 7 equal to 4. Therefore, we have minus 7 root 2 which is not equal to the value of 4, that is RHS. Hence, we can say that root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution to the equation. So out of these three, 4 comma 0 is a solution to the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Thank you.